Hello everyone, this is Karen from KCGC Memories. Today is travel day to Orlando. I am so excited. Please join us. Let's get started. All right, we made it to the gate. We are just waiting to board. Our flight from Reno to Orlando does stop in Las Vegas, but we don't have to get off the plane, which is nice. So it's about an hour flight to Las Vegas, and then probably on the ground for about a half an hour, and then about a 4.5 hour flight to Orlando. So let's get on the plane and let's get this vacation started. Real quick, as we're taxiing here, we did have to switch planes in Las Vegas. The flight crew came on when about half the plane was empty and said everybody that's going on to Orlando needs to go to this other gate and get on the plane there. When we got there, they let us on before they even did the pre-board, so we were able to get our exit row that we were sitting in. We do like the exit row with the 2 seats, so we're not bothered during the flight. So we got over there, got on the plane, and now we are taking off from Las Vegas, so let's get to Orlando. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We made it to Orlando. It's time to go get our bags and then go pick out a car, because we did rent a car for this trip. When we got down to pick our rental car, I saw the Jeep and I asked my husband, do you want to take it? And he's like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, yes. And he was like a kid in a candy store. He loves the Jeep Wrangler. Yay, we have finally made it. We are on our way to Pop Century. This is one of our favorite places to stay when we come to town. We like to stay in the 80s building just because of the proximity to the buses and to the food court. Very short walk, very easy to get to. The last time we stayed here, we stayed in the 80s buildings and we absolutely loved it. After we had a rest, we had a reservation at California Grill the night that we traveled in. So unfortunately, I did not take any video or pictures of our meal, but we do have the fireworks to show you, so please enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the nighttime spectacular fireworks show at the Magic Kingdom will begin in just a few minutes, and you may enjoy it right here from the California Grill. We invite you to step out onto one of our rooftop terraces for optimum viewing of tonight's fireworks show, high in the sky above Cinderella Castle, beginning in just a few minutes. Thank you.
There's magic in the air tonight, and anything.
Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. See you soon.